Hi Paul, this is the folder where I could log in with the provided credentials. So there is a add tester.php file where the ad was showing. So let's open it. So this was the file you showed me earlier also. And when I go back and rename it, what I meant by renaming, like suppose I renamed it to this name. So this file now does not exist, right? And it should not open as well. But as you can see that this file is still opening. However, this file does not exist over there, right? Because I have renamed it, and this file should be there. Um, okay, so as you can see that we could see the old file as well and the new file as well, right? And the other thing I tried, suppose this is a ZZ file is residing over here. This file is here, and I keep it. I copy the name of this file and try to open. Okay, this file I can download, right? But suppose I renamed it, and that so now that this file does not exist over there, I still can download it, right? So uh, when just now while I'm making this video, I just came to know that we can open or uh, both the files. Yeah, so we can download this file, the current existing file, and we can also download the file that was existing before I renamed it, right? So there is something like cache on this website. So I just wanted to, I make some changes to the files where I need to make the changes. But when I make the changes, I cannot check it on the browser because some cache is working over here. Caches are working over here. So I know that in Smarty we have certain and cache, and we can. So you showed me the way HTTP docs and Smarty directories. So we have cache for Smarty here, right? We can delete this file, and I tried deleting these files many times, but still as you can see that I have deleted this cache file, and I still can access the add tester file. However, this file does not exist over here. So there are some more cache we have on the system that I am not aware of, right? So please help me and let me know what I can do to see the changes that I have made on the website on one or particular page. Okay, I hope that you got my question. Thank you.